Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Adam, and here you'll see all sorts of car detailing videos as well as before and afters of some really nasty cars. So hope you enjoy your stay. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification icon so you can be notified whenever new videos come out. And hope you like these videos. Thanks. First thing I like to do is remove any and all items as well as large debris from the vehicle. I use two boxes, one for trash and one for personal items that I'll return back to the owner. Using a hard bristle brush, I like to loosen the dirt embedded in the carpet fibers. This makes vacuuming much easier. I use Meguiar's Detailer All-Purpose Cleaner diluted 10-to-1 for most of the interior trim and agitate with a detailing brush followed by a quick wipe down with a microfiber towel. Be sure to pay extra attention to the driver's side door as the buildup on the trim can get pretty nasty. My favorite product to use is 303 Aerospace Protected, which helps with UV protection and adds a beautiful flat finish that is neither greasy or slick. Also, if you guys have any recommendations for better microfiber towels, please let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your suggestions. couldn't quite get my foam cannon to work properly, but we'll be sure to get a nice thick foam for you guys in the next detailed video. If you're interested in any of the products I use, please check out the description below. Also, if you have any suggestions for better products, please let me know in the comments. I was able to convince my little helper to assist me in drying the truck. She insisted on drying the roof and carefully made her way to the top. I think she did a great job. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe and enable notifications. Now check out these after shots. Thanks for watching, guys.